Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix there was a problem sending the command to the program in Excel here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Excel. The moment you have typed that, wait for the best match will appear. Okay, so let me just type it again since it's not typing here actually. Okay, so once you this best match will appear, just have to click on open to proceed. Okay, so just have to wait until you are being redirected to the Excel, and once it is being ready for you, just have to click this blank workbook, click on it. And here in the blank workbook, the moment you have opened it, you need to proceed to the left side, upper left side of it, where you can see an option called File. Click on it, scroll down, and go with Options. Okay, so the moment you click on Options, you would be able to open this new window, which is called Excel Options. You need to proceed to Advanced, click on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for General. Okay, so let's just scroll down. Okay. So here it has this different options under the general section. Now here's the catch. You need to look for ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange or DDE. Just have to uncheck this box. If in your case it is checked, just have to click unchecked and then click on OK. Okay, so the moment you have the click on it, close this window and try to open your book Excel or workbook Excel or whatever Excel, I mean, whatever file that is in Excel or whatever file that is facing, I mean, that you're facing an error with, and just have to try to access or open it and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. That's how easy to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.